Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we'll learn how to sum data by month using Excel formulas. Let's start by taking a look at our sample data. We have a table with 4 columns: date, amount, category, and description. Our goal is to calculate the total amount spent in the month of January. Type the formula. Type equal to. Type sum. Bracket open. Type if. Bracket open. Type text. Bracket open. Select dates range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type MMMM inverted comma close. Bracket close. Type equal to. Inverted comma start. Type January. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select amount range. Type comma. Type 0. Bracket close. Close. Press Enter key. This formula checks the dates in column C and sums the corresponding amounts from column E where the month is January. Let's break it down. The amounts corresponding to January dates in our sample data are 100, 200, 220, 170, and 210. When we sum these amounts together, we get 900. So, the total amount spent in the month of January is 900. And there you have it. That's how you can easily sum data by month using Excel formulas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.